Hello and welcome to Herbal Basics. In this module, I'll be speaking to you about anti-inflammatory support. Regarding the topics, I'm going to start with a discussion on inflammation in the body. Then I'll shift to anti-inflammatory support approaches, which will include a discussion on foods, herbs, teas, weight and exercise, and sleep. Let's talk about inflammation in the body. Now, the focus of this module is chronic low-level inflammation. The reason for that is because chronic inflammation has been associated with certain diseases. Now, you might ask, how do I know if I have inflammation in my body? Well, there's a blood test for it. It's called a CRP, which stands for C-reactive protein. Now, CRP is a protein made by the liver in response to inflammation. So the CRP blood test produces a marker and measures the inflammation in your blood. Now let's talk about support approaches. And here I'll focus on foods. Now I have here 4 categories: fatty fish, vegetables, fruits, and oils. Regarding fatty fish, the common ones are listed here: salmon, sardines, herring, mackerel, and anchovies. Now it's the omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, that have anti-inflammatory effects. Regarding vegetables, there's a variety to choose from: broccoli, kale, spinach, Swiss chard, collards, cauliflower, carrots, Brussels sprouts, peppers, and sweet potatoes. Now with respect to fruits, the berries are very helpful: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. Then there's cherries and oranges. Now berries and cherries have antioxidants known as anthocyanins. Oranges have high levels of vitamin C, and vitamin C is a potent antioxidant. Now it's important to understand that antioxidants are very helpful in keeping inflammation in check in your body. Now let's talk about oils. What I've listed here is 3 of them that are helpful: olive oil, walnut oil, and avocado oil. Now antioxidants in all these oils help in reducing inflammation. Here I'll speak to anti-inflammatory herbs. Turmeric is available as a powder or a tablet. Yucca is a root that can be cooked or taken in capsules. If you want to cook it, you can do so as you do a potato. Now, ashwagandha is an Ayurvedic herb available in capsules. Boswellia is available in capsules as well. Ginger can be consumed fresh as a tea, in capsules, or juice. Let's talk about anti-inflammatory teas. Now, I have 5 that are listed here that are quite common. Let's begin with green tea. Now, this contains catechins, which decrease inflammation and improve blood flow. White tea contains polyphenols that help to prevent inflammation. Black tea contains 2 flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger tea contains many antioxidants and has gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Now, lastly, cinnamon tea contains cinnamic aldehyde, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Also, it contains many catechins and polyphenols, which are antioxidants. Here, let's talk about weight and exercise. Fat cells can contribute to chronic inflammation. Studies have found that weight loss does reduce inflammation. Consuming high amounts of sugar can increase inflammation. And also, an inactive lifestyle with lots of sitting can increase inflammation. Moderate exercise does lower chronic low-level inflammation. Here, let's talk about sleep. The research has shown that people with more inflammation have disturbed sleep. Now, when one is stressed, has an illness, a disease, or an infection, there is more inflammation and sleep is more difficult. Sleep disorders like insomnia or sleep apnea can cause higher inflammation. Studies show that too little sleep as well as too much sleep are associated with inflammation. So a good night's sleep is very important. I want to thank you for watching Herbal Basics. Hope this was helpful to you. Have a good day.